How to scrap any website with AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get and scrap any website using AI. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So the tool or the AI tool that we're going to be using today is called Magical. Now Magical is a extension that you install onto your PC that will help you scrap any data on any website. So it's all powered by AI. So you can see right here, capture, automate, and share. It's pretty simple, right? So it's free to use, but there is a pricing plan. So let's get started. We're going to click over here on get started for free, and I'll continue with Google. You can continue with Microsoft or your email address. Totally depends on you. And after that, they're going to ask you some questions, basically telling them about you. What type of work do you do? So I'll just fill it out like that and then just simply click on continue. And over here, which task do you want to automate first? So text expansion, write message, emails, or chat, or automations, scrap, automate, form filling, or this is the one that we want. So we're going to select that and click on continue. So give it a couple of seconds and then we just simply install the extension. So it's going to take us over here, click on add Chrome, add extension, and there we go. It is now installed. I'm just simply going to pin that extension over here. There we go. It is now updated as well, and we've already signed in with the account as well. So we can now test it out, right? So over here, you can test it out, right? So click over here. So this is the extension right here. This is like a demo, right? So here is the extension. It's telling us try out this magical automation. If you click over here, it's going to go ahead and analyze the entire form. You can see right here, first name, last name, manufacturing industry, email. It's running all of its CRM functionality right here. One issue is found. There was no notes, but that's fine. And then you just simply click over here, and then you can go ahead and import all of it to your Google Sheets. So right here, we got our data. We've got it imported. So now we can add to a new spreadsheet. This is as simple as that. So now if we click over here, give it a couple of seconds, and it's going to go ahead and do all of that. Let's go ahead and grant access as well. Click over that, give it access to the sheet. And now we should be good to go. Now it's going to import all the data over here. There we go. As you can see, it's imported all the data. We can use the blank table or event or whatever you want, but I don't want to do that. There you go. You can see how it works, right? So again, if you just simply click on the extension right here, you can see we already get the small little bob right here, or we can move it around. It's going to go ahead and analyze it, right? Create a new automation or share app. You can find the templates over here. Found all of your data from this button man right here, Hugh Danny, the title, the company, industry, the phone number, and everything. And then just simply paste it over there. So now we know how it works. Now let's say if we wanted to scrape some other website, right? This was just a demo website. Let's go over to Twitter or x.com. So here, let's say we go to Ludwig, right? Come over here onto Ludwig's profile on Twitter account, and then we click on the extension, right? It's going to go ahead and analyze everything. You can see right here. Let's say we click over onto this button, and it's going to go ahead and hover all of it. So we can go ahead and select what we want, right? So we want the name. We can hover over here, first name, click on save. That's the name. If we click over here, this is going to be the username. Let's see, username. There we go. So it's as simple as that. We're just going to create this template for this website. After that, we don't have to create it again because we've already created a template. After that, whenever we go on to a specific creator on Twitter, it's going to go ahead and automatically use this template, and we should be good to go. This is going to be the join date. If we want to add that, I'll just search for date over here, date created. There we go. And this is going to be the follower count. Follower or following, and done that. And this is going to be, oh, I forgot, misinput over there. I guess I can't click on the followers because it just keeps taking me over to the website, but yeah, you get the idea. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So we've got all the information currently. Nothing is selected, so I'll just do that again, just a little bit. Username, done. First name, done. Location, done. Join date. We can create a new label as well, which is pretty cool. Join date. And followers or following, and done. I think that looks good. After that, we can select other options as well, but it totally depends on you. But yeah, we'll click on done, and then we'll just simply click on add a new spreadsheet or create new automation. It totally depends on you. I just did all of this. I mean, nothing is selected. I just did that. Okay, so for some reason it's not selecting the things that I wanted to add, but let me actually search for it. There is none. Currently, it's not. I mean, I tried all of this. It should pop up over here one by one, all of the information that we have added, but nothing is adding. I don't know, maybe there's a problem with it, but usually you can just simply go ahead and click on it, click on save, and it'll add the labels over here. Click on the text on select the label, and you should be good to go, right? And then you just simply hop over here and you'll find all the information that you have selected. But currently it's not giving me all the information, but yeah, but that's fine. We can just skip that for now. But yeah, if you come back over here, if you open it up, or you just go into the CRM, this is for testing, of course. But yeah, over here you will find all of your information that you have, and then you can scrape all of them over here within your Google Sheets, just like we did from this profile right here. It automatically detected that and everything worked. But yeah. So before I end the video, there is another website or another tool that you can use to scrap websites and social media platforms. So it's called Apify. It's a pretty cool application. It's free as well. You can go ahead and download basically every data on any website. So you've got the Instagram scrapper, got TikTok data extractor, website content crawler, you've got Google Maps extractor, build your own actor as well. Actor is what that program is going to be called, which, scrapes the data off of other websites. So it's pretty cool to use. So let me just show you. I'm going to go ahead and go to console. I'm already logged in. So here you can see I've already used it a little bit. How it works is you have the Instagram scrapper, right? It's going to cost a little bit of money, but for per 1,000 results, it's going to cost you $2.30, right? So how it works is you just come over here onto Instagram, you paste the Instagram URL, right? And then you select what you want. You want to scrap posts, you want to scrap comments, scrap the details of profile, post, hashtags, or plays, scrape profile mentions or reels, whatever. And then you will set the results on how many results you want, right? And you can select the date that, newer than this date or newer than this date, set the date, and then you hit the run button. And once it's done, it'll give you all the options. So here you can see I've already run everything and it succeeded in, well, basically all of them, except for a couple of them. It failed, but it gives you all the details that you would actually need, right? So you can see there are a little bit of issues, but nothing too crazy. So here you can see actor succeeded with 61 results in the data set. If we open it up over here, you can see all the posts that I have scraped. So you can see these are all posts by John Cena. None of them have any child posts. Comments, you can see all the comments. How many comments does each post have? The dimensions, the width, the display URL. And let me actually scroll down below. And over here, if I move this bar, you can see we have other options as well. We can see the first comment on each of these posts. We can see the links. We can even view latest comments, like counts, mentions, owners as well. So you can see all of the data that you would need. So this is the one that I run for Instagram, posts and reels. If you wanted to download other options, well, again, you click on the input button. Here, you change from scrape posts to scrape the details of the profile and hashtags and select, let's say, November 1st, right? This month, the whole month, right? Up to the current date. And then we click on save and start. It's going to go ahead and run the operation. You can see it's starting running the actor. It's going to take some time, but once it's done, it should give us all the data that we have asked it for. So I'm going to pause this video right here and catch you guys in a sec. So the actor was succeeded, right? It was succeeded with the data set. Currently, it gave us this data set. You can see the business category, creators and celebrity. This is the follower count, all right? Full name, has channels, does not has channel, content ID and everything. We've got the link. We've got the profile URL, the latest post, added 12 posts this month. We've got the basically related profile of as well. So we got 80 related profiles. You can see right here, they're links as well. So pretty cool. A lot of information over here. So now we can go ahead and use this data and implement it to our website or whatever content we want. If you wanted to, well, use the web scraper, come over here onto the left-hand side. We've got the store option. You come over here onto the store. We've got website content crawler. So crawl websites and extract text from content to feed AI models, right? Or if you want, you can search for website right here. Here you will find the web scraper. So you can use it to scrape all the data from the website. So pretty cool. Select the website over here, enter the website URL, leave everything as it is. Down below, you can see all the global patterns. Make sure you add the correct websites. This is the program, and then just simply run it, and it's going to scrap all the data of that website. So this was another cool tool that you could use as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.